Now, months after the parliament passed 3 new farm laws, a section of the farmers continue to be on warpath. High drama unfolded at the Patiala-Ambala highway as farmers forced their way into Haryana despite the border being sealed. Hundreds of farmers carrying sticks through barricades put up at the Patiala-Ambala highway into rivers as they continued their Delhi Chalo agitation. Tear gas shells and water cannons were used to push back farmers. The farmers retaliated by pelting stones at the Haryana cops. The farmers have now gathered near the Karnal Lake to proceed with their march. Haryana has sealed borders with Punjab today and tomorrow, continuing its crackdown. Haryana government detained activist Yogendra Yadav along with farmers at Gurgaon as they attempted to cross into Delhi. Delhi government too have refused to allow any rally into the city, but raising his voice in the favor of farmers, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said peaceful demonstrations should be allowed. Chief Minister Kejriwal has further called the farmers' agitation here, in fact, the farmers' legislation as anti-farmers. This is what Kejriwal has said. 30 Punjab farmers' unions have called for a bandh today and tomorrow as part of the agitation against the centre's contentious farm laws. Now cutting across to Satyendra, joining us with what he finds on ground. Let's take a quick listen at his ground report.
पुलिस ने प्लान बी के तहत इन ट्रक्स को बीच हाईवे में रोक दिया था कि किसान अपने वाहनों को ट्रक्स को लेकर आगे ना निकल सके, लेकिन अब ये किसान इन ट्रक्स के ऊपर आ गए हैं और कई ट्रक्स इन्होंने स्टार्ट भी कर लिए हैं तार जोड़कर और ये धक्के मार रहे हैं। देखिए, ये देखिए, ये जो एक बड़ी गंभीर सिचुएशन है कि कहीं ये ट्रक आगे खड़े में ना गिर जाए, क्योंकि ये नदी है, नदी का पुल है और जिस तरीके से किसान अब जबरदस्ती आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, ये कहीं ना कहीं परेशानी अब आगे हो सकती है। जिस तरीके से ये किसान उग्र होते जा रहे हैं, रैपिड एक्शन फोर्स देखिए किस तरीके से पीछे खड़ी हुई है। जो पुलिस बल है वो लगातार पीछे हटता जा रहा है। तकरीबन 1 किलोमीटर ये पीछे बैरिकेडिंग थी, उस बैरिकेडिंग को हटाकर पीछे फेंक दिया है और किसान अब आगे बढ़ रहे हैं दिल्ली की तरफ। हरियाणा में घुस चुके हैं। वो रोड रोलर देखिए आप, उस रोड रोलर पर किसान चढ़ गए हैं, उस रोड रोलर को हटा रहे हैं। अगर ये ट्रैक्टर्स और ये बैरिकेडिंग जो बनी हुई है ट्रक्स की, इन्हें किसानों ने हटा दिया तो दिल्ली के लिए ये बड़ी समस्या हो सकती है, क्योंकि दिल्ली पहले ही कोरोना की मार झेल रही है और हजारों की तादाद में ये किसान दिल्ली आते हैं तो दिल्ली के लिए हालात बिल्कुल गंभीर हो सकते हैं। अब ये किसान, ये तस्वीरें हम आपको सीधी दिखा रहे हैं कि अपनी मनमानी अब करने लगे हैं। पुलिस साइड हो गई है, आरएएफ साइड में हो गई है और जो ट्रक्स और वाहन पुलिस ने प्लान बी के तहत यहाँ पर लगाए थे उनको धकेला जा रहा है। ये किसान ट्रैक्टर लेकर आ गए। ये देखिए, ये तस्वीरें देखिए, ये किसान अब ट्रैक्टर लेकर दिल्ली की तरफ मार्च करना शुरू कर दिए हैं। तो और पीछे से जो काफिला था वो अब आगे बढ़ने लगा है।
Now, Kumar Kunal reporting from Faridabad. Kumar, take us through the agitation that you see there on ground. Are farmers there still agitated, pushing their way through? If not allowed, what are their plans? They're all seated there. They're angry. Their frustration is quite visible. They're pushing the police literally aside to make their way. But there you have police forces in numbers ensuring that they're not crossing the border areas. Where does this really conclude? If they're continuing to be at loggerheads, it's been hours now since they're right at the border. Any word on government officials or anybody from the centre wanting to have a dialogue, a peaceful dialogue with them to control this agitation amid the pandemic that we're facing?
See, just a few minutes ago, a statement from Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has come, and he told that all the demands made by these farmers, they are being taken care of, and even a meeting has been called on 3rd December to listen to these demands. But now at the Delhi border, I can show you that some unprecedented security arrangements have been done. Even the normal barricades have been put up at the border, but even those barricades, cemented barricades, are also being put up, and each and every vehicle is being scrutinized properly so that no one can pass away through this border towards Delhi. So this kind of arrangement. I don't remember in past has been done for such kind of agitation. Even metro services has been disrupted till 2 p.m. No metro service has been allowed from any of the neighboring street towards Delhi. So what police and other agencies, other authorities have apprehended that this kind of agitation can take place, and even farmers residing in nearby areas from Delhi can come towards Delhi, and they can block the roads and they can agitate for long at Delhi at the crucial junctions. So they are taking no chance whatsoever, and that's why a long traffic queue. I can show you from the other side towards the Haryana border that how traffic is just just running at a snail's pace, and each and every vehicle is being scrutinized by the police personnel which have been deployed at the border area. So all these things are happening here, although no farmer protest is going on here, but still they are anticipating that some kind of protest might happen later at the day when the farmers can come from Haryana side or UP side towards Delhi. So all these things are happening. Lots of action can be seen at the border area. Even drone cameras have been installed to check each and every vehicle, that how people are coming and who all are coming towards Delhi. So these things are happening right here, and believe me, such kind of unprecedented security arrangements is what we are witnessing today. I really never seen all these kind of security deployments.
Now, undoubtedly, this is an agitation
So
that doesn't
these are the
seem like
heavy
it's coming under control there. Kunal, thank you very much. But we're quickly, do stay with us. We're going to cut across to Aishwarya joining us from the Delhi-Rajasthan border area. Aishwarya, are we looking at similar agitations at the Delhi-Rajasthan border as well? We understand 5 border areas, 5 highways that the farmers have zeroed in on to try and push their way through into the national capital despite permissions not given. What do you see right behind you?
Well, let me tell you, a group of farmers here on Delhi-Rajasthan border have been detained by the police. The police force has surrounded these farmers and they are not allowing them to move from here. This is right at the Delhi-Rajasthan border. Now, most of these farmers are now talking and speaking about the way in which the government has now made changes in the rules. There is heavy police deployment here from what we understand from the police personnel deployed. They are expecting more farmers to join in this agitation. But they have been given clear instructions to not let the farmers move beyond this point. Farmers are not allowed to enter the national capital. There's heavy traffic on the other side because the entire area was barricaded just a few minutes back, but it was causing a lot of inconvenience, because of which now the police has changed the strategy. They have now surrounded these farmers, and these farmers who are sitting here are not allowed to move beyond this point. Back to you.
Right, Aishwarya, here we're looking at farmers wanting to come into Delhi, but they've not been given permission. What are your plans for today? Have you been able to have a word with the farmers there? Do they say that they're going to sit in agitation for the next 2 days, even if they're not allowed into the border areas? We understand today and tomorrow they've called for a bandh, the farmers. What are their plans over the day if they're not allowed in?
Well, that is the sense which we are getting. The farmers are ready to sit for the long haul, but they're still waiting for their leadership to take a call. Now, we do understand that the Agriculture Minister is saying everything that the farmers are saying will be heard. But apart from that, what the farmers at the moment are saying, the reason why they have come to Delhi is because they want to speak with the central government, something which has not happened. We did see what happened in Punjab. Also, the farmers started an agitation. They did rail roko, but no one from the centre went and spoke with them, which is why we are now seeing this kind of agitation from most of the borders. Now, farmers, not just from Punjab, from Haryana and from Uttar Pradesh, are also trying to enter the national capital. They're still awaiting a nod from their leadership on the next course of action. But yes, they are very clear. Till the time they don't get to speak with someone from the central government, the agitation will be on. Back to you.
Right. Aishwarya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here, we're looking at the agitation there that continues.